Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my previous videos, and as I mentioned in my last video, I will show you guys my 2026 vision board. So here I am with my vision board. Okay, as I mentioned that I have made a vision board book. Okay, not a actual board. So let's get into the video. So the very first thing, of course, in Indian traditions ऐसा बोला जाता है that before starting something new, anything new, you should always pray to Ganpati Bappa. Okay, so I started with this an image, and I wrote on top of that image that I am blessed by Bappa. You know, as I mentioned, I'm really close to Ganpati Bappa, and anything happens, he's the first one whom I remember that, Ganpati Bappa, आजा થઈ ગયું, and all of that. Okay, I'm so sorry guys अगर थोड़ा गुजराती, हिंदी, English, there will be everything in my vlogs, in my videos. Okay, so please bear with that. I try to decode कि मैं गुजराती में क्या बोल रही हूँ and all of that. Okay, so let's start with, of course we have started with Ganpati Bappa. Then the next thing to that is travel. One of my मेन फोकस ऑफ माई लाइफ वुड बी ट्रैवल. मुझे ट्रैवल करना है, बहुत ट्रैवल करना है. ओके, सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन ट्रैवल. सो फर्स्ट इज दिस इज केरला. आई लव केरला. ओके, एंड फ्रॉम द day I have seen beauty of Kerala, I have loved Kerala a lot, and this year I do want to go to Kerala. And of course I have Rishikesh. As I mentioned that Rishikesh would be in my each and every vision board. Then there are two pictures. Okay, two group pictures of travel. Okay, I really want to travel with my friends this year, and also with my cousins. Okay, so I've kept both for both of them. Then also I have written a very tiny quote: God is always with me. So I believe in God, and I know that He is with me every time, everywhere. Then yeah, of course I have written that 2026 is a year to travel. Of course, in the first month of this year I traveled to Gujarat and to a new place, that is Kutch. And to know that, you should watch my Kutch vlogs. I have uploaded them on my YouTube channel, so do watch it. I'll somewhere they will come over here, so click on that and you will get to see my vlogs. They are really fun. I liked it. I enjoyed making those videos, so do watch it. They are really fun. So it started with a trip. Okay. Then the next thing is this: I do want to learn how to drive a two-wheeler. मैंने सीखा था. अगर ये मेरा भाई देख रहा है, ही नोज़, उसने मुझे सिखाया था, एंड मैं सीख भी गई थी. ओके, बट मुझे प्रैक्टिस नहीं हुई. एंड द टू व्हीलर्स विच आई हैव इन माई हाउस, लाइक the two wheelers which we own, they are very, I'm really short. Okay, short heighted person, so those two wheelers मेरे लिए थोड़ी हैवी भी थी, एंड हाइट में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था, तो आई कुडंट प्रैक्टिस. आई नो फॉर सम रीज़न आई थिंक दैट आई विल ड्राइव सो वेल. आई गेट ड्रीम्स. ओके, लिटरली आई गेट ड्रीम्स कि मैं बहुत अच्छी गाड़ी चला रही हूँ. देयर इज़ द सीनिक स्पॉट्स, जहाँ मैं ड्राइव कर रही हूँ. आई एम ड्राइविंग सो स्मूथली, सो गुड. I know once I learn it, I'll drive very, 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 very good. So I'm waiting ये साल में, and I also want to buy a two-wheeler, so that is also in my vision board, so that indicates both of the things. Then there is this an iPhone. I'm manifesting to buy an iPhone. Now whatever next phone I will buy an iPhone, and I really want to buy it from my own money, so that's in the vision board. Then there is this earring thing. Okay, so that's basically I want to get piercing. 2-3 बारी हुआ, but I planned with my sister to get piercing, but it didn't happen, possible नहीं हो पाया, but I hope this year I get it. Then of course I passed my driving test, I want that, so these two things are together. Then there is this girl dancing. I want to learn how to dance. Okay, I want to enjoy. Okay, ऐसा प्रोफेशनली नहीं करना है, बट आई वॉन्ट टू do it for fun and learn it for fun. Then I have one more skill, okay, which I hobby I would say is sewing, stitching. Okay, I want to learn how to sew and stitch clothes and all of that. Then of course I have many quotes: consume less, create more. Okay, this was my one of the quote I wanted to follow, so I am trying. Okay, I am not saying that I am completely there. I do consume a lot of content, but I am trying to make also content, so this is that. Then pray, wait and trust. Of course I believe in this. इसके बारे में कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं, I already do that. Then I have written a quote: I am grateful for my future. Okay, already being grateful, क्योंकि you should be grateful. Then I want to be disciplined and consistent, which I am trying. Okay, so you should give me some points for that. Then peace of mind, which I really want, because I am not an overthinker, but sometimes जो पीरियड में मैं नहीं सोच रही होती हूँ, और जब मैं सोच रही होती हूँ तो जो पीरियड में नहीं सोचा होगा ना, दैट ऑल्सो आई थिंक इन दैट पीरियड ऐसा होता है. सो आई वॉन्ट अ लिटिल बिट पीस ऑफ माइंड, एंड समटाइम्स द एनवायरमेंट विच यू live in also makes it difficult for you to be at peace. So that's the reason I want peace of mind. Of course, if you guys know me, there has to be something related to love, relationship and all of that. So I don't know, as I'm not chasing to be in a relationship. Sometimes there are phases, but it's okay. I just feel it and I let it go. I do want a healthy relationship, and I've written I attract a loving and healthy relationship and a guy and a girl. So see, I am not a person who believes trial and errors and all of that. I believe that जो भी होगा शादी ही होगी. Okay, I don't believe in trying and finding out what things I love. I'm always a person who want to learn or know my likes, dislikes, everything with that one person, and I'm really strong believer that I will get a beautiful partner. I believe it, I strongly believe it, and I know that Ganpati Bappa has written something very magical for me. And sometimes I do get a little sad that why don't I, because everyone around me has some partner in their life from a very long period of time or anything. So when you are surrounded by those things, you really feel lonely. And I'm genuinely saying it, people who are actually in that situation, and when they are surrounded by people who have their partners, who have someone to talk to, someone to understand them, someone who is with them in their bads, in their in everything. It really makes you feel lonely, and I'm not joking. It does feel, and it does affect me a lot. But then of course I feel it and I let it go, because I can't do anything. I can't force something, okay? And ऐसा भी नहीं I have found anyone. जब आएगा, I'm really will be very happy to be in that. And I'm so much confident, I'm so much into that कि मुझे मिलेगा, and God will give me, okay? So I am a firm believer of that. Then of course I'm making a YouTube video, so there has to be a YouTube thing, okay? I do wish that I get a silver play button. I'll try for that, okay? Then there is savings. I have started saving, okay, so that's a good thing. Then I have written my vision board is working, because of course you have to mention that. Then there is this, it's about weight. It's written 50, but I don't know, I'm very underweight, okay? And I have gained 6 kgs, and I don't know how magically this happened. From past 10 years my weight was constant, but now suddenly I don't know how I gained 6 kgs weight. I don't feel it. Thoda bahut I can feel that, okay, but 6 kgs I can't believe, I can't digest it. But I want to reach 50, because I'm very underweight according to my age. So yeah. Then there is 1% better every day, and I feel it, okay? I feel it. And the hobbies which I mentioned earlier was also because I want to, when you are into something and you do good, you really feel that you're doing better than your before self, okay? So I want to be a little, even if it's 0.5% better every day, I want to do it. Then there is email, like editing videos. Then there is gratitude. Of course I practice gratitude. Then there are bunch of books. So, and you won't believe, there are 2-3 books in this image, you won't be able to see, but there are 2-3 books which I already read, okay? And there are few books which I already have, and I will read them. Then of course there is more books and less screen. I'm trying that, okay? Then financial freedom. I do want to get financially freedom right now. Then my family is healthy, wealthy and happy. Of course, who won't want a family to be happy and healthy? Then workout thing. I'm not consistent in workout, but I have joined a class, swimming class, where थोड़ा बहुत मेरा वर्कआउट हो जाता है 45 minutes a day, so that's a good thing. Stay hydrated. Oh my god, I can't believe, पहले मुझसे 1 लीटर की भी बॉटल ख़त्म नहीं होती थी. Now I can finish easily 3 liters a day, okay, 3 bottles. I want to intake more, but I'm staying hydrated. Then rich in health. The rich in health thing is not happening every day, but I'm trying whenever I can, eat healthy. Then of course I love to write, and I love to write poems. So I have written, all I want to be is a writer. I someday, really, if you have seen my previous video, I do want to write a book. Even if it's a short book, I am okay with it, but I want to write a book and design it as well. Then she is learning Japanese. Yes, I am learning Japanese. Then do it for your future self. You should always remind that, just push a little bit yourself and just do it. Then I do want to learn how to do makeup. My skin is glowing. I don't know if it is glowing. Camera pe to it looks good. And yeah, that's it. My body is healthy and strong, and a new home is incoming, which everyone dreams of. So I have put a lot of things, and many things I can see that I am working on them. So I'm really proud of myself. Many things I'm still lagging behind or I haven't started yet, but I will do them. And I believe मेरा विजन बोर्ड 2026 एंड तक हो जाएगा कंप्लीट, एटलीस्ट 80% तक हो ही जाएगा. And I'm a firm believer, if it's written for you, it will come to you, and if it's not written, it will come in your life but it will go away. Okay, I'm a really firm believer of this, and I always trust Ganpati Bappa's plans and all of that. This was a very short video, but I hope you guys will also make a vision board, and do let me know if you have made it, and if anything from the past year have come true, if you have made a vision board. And you should make it, and when things happen you will feel that joy, I guarantee you that. Okay, it's just beautiful. I've added more things in a wallpaper of my laptop, where I've added few more things which I can't show you guys right now. But yeah, I have added few more things which I haven't added in because there was space ki kami. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked my vision board things, and do pray that my vision board comes true, and I also pray for you guys that your vision board also comes true. And even if you have not made any vision board and you have some vision, I hope your vision comes true, and it will come true. I pray to God that every one of us live those visions we have dreamt of. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye.